Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Lily and Max English. I am your host, Lily.
And I am Max. Hello, friends. It is so wonderful to be here with you today.
It really is. We are so happy you clicked on this audio. Let me ask you a quick question. Where are you right now? Are you sitting on the bus? Are you washing the dishes? Or are you just resting on your sofa?
Yes, wherever you are and whatever you are doing, we are so happy to be your digital friends today. Just relax, take a deep breath, and have a good time with us.
Exactly. There is zero pressure here. We just want to chat and smile with you. So, Max, how is your morning going?
Well, it is going okay now, but I had a very funny morning.
Oh, what happened? Tell me everything.
So, I wanted to drink a nice cup of coffee. I watched a video on how to make coffee art. A beautiful heart shape in the milk.
Wow, a heart shape. That sounds so difficult. Was it beautiful?
No, not at all. I poured the milk and it did not look like a heart. It looked like a big white potato.
A coffee potato. Oh my goodness, Max. That is so funny. Did you drink it?
Of course I drank it. It tasted good, but it looked very ugly. I think I'm not a coffee artist.
That is okay, Max. Trying new things is always fun, even if we make a potato. And that brings us to our topic today. Today we are talking about hobbies.
Hobbies. I love this topic.
Me too. Hobbies are things we do just for fun, not for work and not for school. They are just for us. They help us escape from stress and just be happy.
That makes so much sense. We all need a break sometimes. So Lily, tell me, what is your new favorite hobby?
Well, I love being at home. I am a very quiet person. So my new hobby is growing indoor plants. I am a plant mom now.
A plant mom. Wow. How many plants do you have?
I have 5 plants in my bedroom right now. I give them water, I clean their green leaves, and I even give them names.
Wait, really? You give them names? What are their names?
Yes, one is named Bob and another one is named Lucy. I say good morning to them every day.
That is amazing. Do they answer you? Is their English good?
Max, stop! No, they do not speak, but they are very good listeners. They never say I talk too much. It is so relaxing to take care of them.
I love that. It is a very peaceful and kind hobby. You are a great plant mom.
Thank you, Max. What about you? Do you have a new hobby?
Yes, I do. But my hobby is outside. I started roller skating.
Roller skating? Wow, that is so active.
Yes! I went to the store and bought new roller skates. And Lily, they are neon green. Very, very bright green.
Oh, wow. Neon green. So everyone can see you coming.
Exactly. I put them on, I looked in the mirror, and I thought, I am young, I am strong. I will be a great skater.
I love your confidence, Max. So, are you a great skater now?
Well, let me tell you a story. Last Saturday, I went to the park to practice. The weather was beautiful. The sun was shining.
Okay, sounds like a perfect day.
There were many people in the park, and then I saw a beautiful dog, a big, happy golden dog. He was wearing a little red scarf.
Aw, I love golden dogs. They are so friendly.
Me too, so I wanted to look cool. I wanted the dog and his owner to think, wow, that guy is a professional skater.
Oh no, I know this is going to be bad.
So I started to skate faster. I went faster and faster. The wind was in my hair. I felt like a bird.
Wow, a green bird.
Yes, but then I hit a stone.
Oh no, a big stone?
No, Lily, a tiny, tiny stone, like the size of a bean.
A bean? A bean stopped the great skater?
Yes, I flew up into the air and I fell right into a big bush. A big green bush next to the road.
Max, you flew into a bush? Are you okay?
I am fine. I did not get hurt. I just had lots of leaves in my hair. But the funny part is the dog.
What did the dog do? Did he bark at you?
No, he just stopped and he looked at me in the bush. He did not look happy. He looked very sad for me. His eyes said, "Oh, poor human."
The dog felt sorry for you. That is the best story ever. Poor Max.
I know, right? I lost my cool completely. But hey, I made you laugh. And I probably made the people in the park laugh too.
You definitely did. And that is the best thing about hobbies. It is completely okay to be a silly person. We make mistakes, we fall down in the park, but we laugh about it later.
Exactly. No judgment here, just fun. What about you, Lily? Do you have any funny hobby stories? I know you are very careful.
Well, yes. Last week I tried to do some art. I wanted to paint. I bought some nice watercolors.
Oh, painting. That is a wonderful hobby. Did you paint a beautiful picture?
I wanted to. I had my nice cup of tea, I played some soft music, and I wanted to paint a beautiful beach sunset.
That sounds very romantic. Pink and orange and purple clouds.
Yes, it sounds pretty in my head, but I used too much water on the paper. I put the red, the yellow, and the blue on the paper, and they all mixed together.
Oh no. What color did it become?
It became a very dark, ugly brown. It did not look like a sunset. It looked like a big, messy bowl of tomato soup.
Tomato soup. Wow, Lily.
I know! I looked at it and I just started laughing. It looked so delicious, but so bad.
Hey, you can call it abstract art. Art that is just shapes and colors. You can sell your tomato soup painting for $1 million.
You are right! $1 million bowl of soup. Next time, maybe I will just paint food. It is much easier for me.
That is a great idea. We love laughing at our funny mistakes. And what about you, our friends listening at home? Do you have a funny hobby story?
Yes! Did you fall into a bush like Max? Or did you paint a bowl of soup like me? We want to know.
Tell us in the comments below. We read every single comment. And if you are shy, just send us a paint emoji or a roller skate emoji.
Yes, just leave an emoji so we know you are here listening to us. Max, we talked about buying skates and buying expensive paints, but some of the best hobbies do not cost any money.
That is very true. You do not need to spend money to be happy. What is your favorite free hobby, Lily?
I love walking in my neighborhood. Just walking, looking at the trees, and maybe listening to the birds. It clears my mind. What about you?
For me, it is cloud watching. I just look up at the sky and find funny shapes in the clouds. Oh, and also, I love listening to podcasts while walking.
Yes! Walking and listening to Lily and Max English. That is the perfect free hobby for our listeners.
Exactly. Before we say goodbye today, I want to share a small bonus tip with everyone.
Ooh, a bonus tip. We love your tips, Max. Tell us.
If you are learning English right now, make it your hobby.
Wow, that is such a good point. Make it a hobby.
Yes, do not feel stressed. Do not think, oh, I have to study grammar today. This is so boring. No, just put on your headphones, listen to our voices, smile, and make it a relaxing part of your day.
I agree 100%. Zero stress. English is not a test. It is just a fun way to connect with friends.
Beautifully said, Lily.
Thank you! And thank you to all our wonderful listeners. Thank you for spending your time with us today. If you feel happy and relaxed listening to this podcast, please hit the like button and subscribe to Lily and Max English.
Yes, please. Your support makes us so happy. Have a beautiful, wonderful day, everyone. Go out and try a new hobby today.
Keep smiling, take a deep breath, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye, friends!
Bye-bye.